VW Touareg 7P rear door card removal. So the only external screw that we've got is a T25 Torx screw at the bottom here. The rest of them are concealed T30 Torx screws. We've got to remove this metal trim here, remove the door handle cover, and remove the bolster and the window switch. Got T30 Torx here, here, and here. So if you haven't extracted the screw from this hole here, just be aware you will probably drop it when you take the door card off. Just don't forget about it. So now a large pry tool, possibly a small one if you're struggling to get the larger one in, and in a location at the bottom, find somewhere that there's a trim clip. You can look down and you will see them, and pull the door card out. Now sometimes the clips come off the way that they should, and sometimes they sort of snap out of the door card, but usually they don't break fully and they can be reset, which I'll show you after. So at this point, the door card is just held in at the top, but it'll still be pretty well stuck in. So now to remove the interior door handle latch cable, to pull there's a plastic bit back, and then it will just lift out of the latch. So as this bit here, you just pull that back, disconnect it gets the tweeter, and then disconnect the main harness for the door, which goes to the door module. And that's everything. So what happens with the clips that go in the door originally, sometimes they won't come off. They slip out of the door card and don't release. And sometimes they stick in the door card without releasing. So you see this one hasn't reset. Which one has? So we've got one, that one here. So this one has reset correctly. So when that's pushed back into the door, this part will push back, locking the trim clip. And this one's unlocked here. But some of them don't unlock, and usually they don't actually break, they just don't unlock. So what we can do with these clips that don't reset is, if we get the tool in the right place, which is under both these collars. So you've got this loose one here, and then there are two collars further down. If we get a tool in, so that's the clip unlocked and easily removed without damaging it. So now with the clip removed and reset, we're placing it back in the door card with the thin collar on one side of the plastic and the thicker one on the other. So these clips that haven't reset, this is for refitting, to make refitting obviously possible, never mind easier. We need to reset the remaining clips. Now, they are very, very difficult to do. I've found a knack of doing them and obviously found a pretty good tool. This is Bojo Tip 90. Refitting, you can easily reconnect all the connectors. And the interior door handle mechanism, push the front part of it in first. So now starting with the top of the door card, and make sure it's definitely in the groove and clipped in, and then with it correctly clipped in, all of the trim clips will line up with the hose correctly. You can check this by peeking down the sides and just checking that they're all in the correct position. We've obviously reset them all, so all we need to do is firmly press the door card back into position. So we're not just clipping it in once, we've got the clips need to clip in as well, which you'll feel. Refit all the screws. And once all the screws are refitted, you can refit all the trim pieces. And with this piece of trim at the top, it helps to bend it out a little bit at the back. Thanks for watching. I do hope that this video has helped. If it has, please do leave a comment. For more videos on this car and many others, please do check out my channel.